Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Zelda, A Link to the Past. To begin your adventure, use the directional pad or control stick to move Link around Hyrule. The A button lets you interact with people and objects, while the B button swings your sword or uses your equipped item. Remember to press X or Y to open your inventory and swap out tools as needed. Mastering these basic controls is your first step to becoming a hero. As you journey through Hyrule, you will discover many essential items. The Master Sword is crucial for defeating powerful foes. The hookshot helps you cross wide gaps and grab distant treasures. Bombs are perfect for revealing hidden passages and breaking obstacles. Don't forget the magic mirror, which is vital for traveling between the light and dark worlds, unlocking new areas and secrets. These tools are key to your success. Exploration is a huge part of this classic adventure. You'll spend time in both the vibrant light world and the mysterious dark world, each holding unique secrets and challenges. Pay close attention to your surroundings. Environmental clues often point to puzzle solutions. Always check your map to keep track of where you've been and what areas still need exploring. Many puzzles require specific items found within the game's many dungeons. Your quest will lead you through numerous dungeons, each culminating in a unique boss battle. To earn the legendary Master Sword, you must first collect 3 pendants of virtue. Later, you'll need to rescue 7 maidens to open the path to Ganon's tower. Each boss has a distinct weakness, so experiment with your items. Remember to save your game frequently, especially before entering a new dungeon or facing a formidable enemy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.